Welcome back, gang members, boys and girls. Today we are installing a couple more parts. What we are looking at here is these turbo inlets and this little brick right here. We're gonna smack that on in here. It is absolutely beautiful outside for a ginger today. It's like 70 degrees, cloudy. It looks good. It feels good. Of course, if you are enjoying the channel, cop some merch. Look at this. Perfect for a day like today. I got nothing going on underneath. Little embroidered logo. That's, you know, something simple, something easy, something slight. So I got some little peep going on in my ear. Get some lighting going, you know, help it make it easier for you guys to see. We'll go ahead and smack some things on. We do have a little bit of an issue with the blow-off valve harness. Tyler over at TGK has already sent us a new one. It's on the way. You know, UPS doing UPS things. And so let's go ahead and install some parts. One. Two. Fuck, it's hot. How in the fuck? Yes. Okay. I'm sweating. That was so much harder than it needed to be. Basically, I looked up a tutorial from TGK on how to install his intake, and he didn't remove the throttle body. I was really hoping that I didn't have to remove the throttle body. Basically, what he did was squeeze it up here, bend it in half just to get the top, and then you're just forcing that thing on down. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one now. Okay. That was a pain in the fucking ass. And there is like no more wind going on now, besides like a minuscule amount. The intercooler should be a lot easier. I will say thank God that this car has been sitting since Sunday. It's now Thursday, so everything's nice and cold. I don't have to deal with no hot shit. First step is to remove these two, so go ahead and do that. I will say, if you don't have a towel handy, The Get Fuck Club merch comes in great for a towel. Of course, I had a towel under the car, and then I flung the hose towards me, and a bunch of shit came out of it. So, plug that one, now that that one's off, and get the next one. Made a little bit more of a mess than I thought I was going to with this. Now, we just gotta take that guy out. This was pretty decently fucking in there. However, ooh, fuck, I forgot that shit was full of coolant. That is the stock core. Very nice. Sorry, I'm jumping all over the place. Now, all you have to do is fill this with coolant, and then we should be able to just slide that guy right on in. So I'm gonna fill that with coolant. I'm trying to find the other yellow cap. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. That little hint of yellow down there, that is it. Just like that, hour and a half later, we have 2 new parts installed. All done. All done. Overfilled the coolant a little bit so I can go ahead and bleed the system. They say that you can just kind of stick a little flathead right in there, but I have no like drain tube or anything, so I don't know where I'm gonna put it. So I'll figure that out. On the other hand, I have a new rear windshield ornament. I actually just unlocked the car and it bled itself. So that's pretty fucking cool. You can hear it. You can't even see it from the camera. Hang on. Where you at, cuh? Linked up for some fold. Look at that thing. Look at that. Look at that thing.
You'd be dead from Chris Kyle with the fifth. They haven't even seen me yet, bro. Goddamn
No.
blind
They one guy saw me. Yeah. There's a photographer up there. You guys are good. You're so good. Oh, absolutely. Go ahead.
So, oh, I got pictures of them checking out your car and shit.
Yeah, that goes hard. I like that. The fuck was that?
Yeah.
I could do a little wheel turn and then air it out again. Or do you want wheel straight?
Give me this for like 5 minutes. Yeah. Uh-huh. How about that?
Oh my god, bro. I cannot park in any grass. Look at this shit. This shit under the ground, I swear to God. Oh my god. My fucking god. What a shot! Holy shit. Bro, when I went to the massage lady today, she fucking massaged my scalp too. I was like, oh my god. This is one of my favorite spots. I took the skyline back here after it got wrapped, and the art on this wall is just absolutely insane. Well, I think we have accomplished enough in today's episode. Installed some parts, saw the car absolutely slammed out. Chance is gonna go ahead and do his thing. I'm not sure if we're hitting any more spots after this, but I will catch you guys in the next one. Better like and comment, I swear to God. Pick up some merch.